This is Igbo Area
Hello. This is a short one. Any person that sees one Igbo as being different from another Igbo is only making himself an object as well as a victim of the premeditated and orchestrated colonial masters' divisive tricks, which they demonstrated in their strategy known as divide and rule. I have discussed this with people times without number, that some expressions that drives me mad uncontrollably are the idea of core Igbo, men Igbo, superior Igbo, central Igbo, pure Igbo, correct Igbo, majority Igbo, real Igbo, or any of such. Igbos are Igbos. There are no core Igbos. There are no men Igbos. There are no superior Igbos. There are no central Igbos. There are no pure Igbos. There are no correct Igbos. There are no majority Igbos. There are no real Igbos. All Igbos are real Igbos. All Igbos are core Igbos. All Igbos are men Igbos. I have repeatedly and emphatically stated that no Igbo is different from the other. The only thing we have is dialectal differences. When those who scattered us met us, they recognized our formidability to the extent of addressing us as the great Igbo nation. From that point, they began to strategize on dismantling our unity, which they found not just intimidating but equally impregnable. It is sad to say that the result is what you are seeing today. The situation whereby an Ogochukwu, Amechi, Amarashi, Amadi, Ikechukwu, Emeka, Ugonna, etc. can not only shamelessly but boldly and proudly tell you that he is not Igbo is not only saddening. That situation is not only saddening but equally pathetic. My own village, Enyaba, Umudim, Nnewi, bounds Ozobol at Nza, Ozobolo. We used to go to one another's house to fetch fire. But as proximate as those villages are, if you meet two people from the two villages before 5 minutes, by their tongues you can tell who is from where. Now, does that make Ozobol superior or inferior, and vice versa? Not at all. It is just a matter of dialectal variation. This article was written by Okunna Okongwu. No Igbo is superior to the other. We just decided to share this short one with you. Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. God bless you and bye for now.